Hello babes, and welcome back to my channel and to this video where we are gonna create my travel palette for New York. This is empty right now. This is a holographic palette by Divina. These are amazing. They are so beautiful, I mean you can see, and they are open in the middle so you can put any kinds of shadows and sizes you want. It will fit 12 shadows in here, like normal size shadows, and that's what I'm gonna put in here. This is gonna be my travel magnetic palette when I go to New York. I've told you before that I like to create my own magnetic palettes when I go traveling, so I thought I'd take you along when I do the palette for this trip, and I thought it's gonna be fun. I want to have more. I like color. Wow, Sherlock, you're really working hard today. I like color, and I like more darker color, and I like dramatic colors. Oh, I did a palette that you've probably already seen. This one. I think I'm gonna take two colors from this one because this one contains two of my favorite singles, which is this one that's called Squad and this one that's called Sauce. Both of them is from Colored Rain. It looks like I'm trying to create a Christmas palette. Don't come for me. So I'm gonna start with those two shades, and I want to have something pink, glittery maybe, and I want to have something peach matte because I love having that together with this. Maybe I'll even take one from, these are my other Colored Rain shadows. Maybe I'll take this one even, and maybe I'll also take this one. This one is called Bossed Up because these are the kinds of shades that I want to go for. So this is Bossed Up and this is Crushin'. These are the kinds of shades that I want to go for. I also really like having like a black and a white, but I think I'm just gonna bring something basic along. Sometimes I like doing a quad where I just put in two transition shades and a white and a black. Sometimes I do that just to bring along. And I highly suggest you doing something like that as well. Have a quad on the side, two transition shades, a white and a black, or if you don't like using white, maybe a bone colored matte, and you pick that quad and you bring that together with every other palette you use, every of those palettes that you have that you think aren't complete, and then you have the little quad, and it's not bigger than a bronzer, so I highly suggest that. I do want to get one of these shadows. These are the sparklers. These are so pretty. I can't get over how pretty these are. Like, they are so pretty. So what do I want to have? What do I want to bring? They are more goldy and green. This is like a purple. You know what? I'm gonna use this one. Which one was this? I think it's this one, right? Yeah. Right? Am I wrong? I don't think I am. I could be. I think I'm gonna bring this one. It is called Swudge. It is this color that is here. You need a bit of a glitter glue or two, like wetten your brush with these, because they are a bit flaky, but the result is absolutely stunning. This is a light blue purple. Since I am gonna be bringing this along in my, let me see if I can wetten this a bit. Since I am gonna be bringing this along in my like carry-on, it's easier. So because these are a bit, you see now? Oh my god. Because these are a bit fragile. These are so pretty. So I am gonna bring that one along. I think it's gonna look so good with both of these, and especially together with that one. And if I use a black together with it, I think that could be super pretty. Okay, so I'm so excited I'm bringing that one. What else do I want to bring? Do I want to bring something for this, or do I want to have like a mustard? Do I want to have a mustard? Maybe I want to have a mustard. Wait, I need to clean this. Maybe I want to bring Courtney by Divina. I have that one here. Oh my god. Ugh. I have it here. Let me bring this one in. This is my Divina palette. Maybe I will bring Courtney. It's this one right here. It's like a mustard color. It definitely has that baby poop undertone. Maybe I want to bring that because that will go so well together with this, but it will also go so well together with this and that. Look at me trying to be funny and failing. like always. Hashtag forever alone. Okay, so I think that's gonna be really cool. I want to have something pink and glittery. Maybe I can check through the Cleonut if there's any of those I want to bring. Or what do I have in this? These are my Colourpop singles. Do I want to bring... No, I don't think I'm gonna bring any of the Colourpop singles. And I already checked this Divina palette, and I have checked this one. I love this one though. This one is you can't see shit. Like, who am I trying? This one is so beautiful. Like, honestly, it's so pretty. And you know how I feel about orange looks. Do I want to bring that? Do I? Maybe. Because then I can do something super orange if I feel like it. It's light tangerine. This is from Coastal Scents, and this is such a pretty shade. Like, it's an orange yellow. Or is it? No, they're not similar. I'm bringing that one. Sue me. Okay, so these are so beautiful as well. Maybe I want to bring like an olive. Look at this. Oh gosh, this is the one that has a cool name, right? Yeah, that's what she said. It's from Luxie. It's an olive. Do I want to have an olive? I'll put that in the maybe corner. Maybe I want to bring an olive. We'll see. Let me see what else I have. Here's some more Luxie. I have something light blue, so I don't think I'm gonna bring anything else like that. Otherwise, I really like this one. I want to have something that's more glittery than this one. Otherwise, I really like that. But I need something for my inner corners as well. I'm still like trying to find more shadows like this one. They're like almost white or like a transparent base, but with a like strong sheen. This one is Sweet Tooth. It's really hard to come by. I thought it wouldn't be that hard, but has turned out to be quite hard. There is one shade here that I really... These are the green and like... This one is so pretty though. Do I want to bring something like this? Gecko's Tail, I love that one. Or maybe this one? Or maybe this one. But I do have something like that. Do I want to bring something like this? This is Orb. Like, look at this. Do I want to bring Orb? That could be cool. Okay, maybe we're bringing Orb. That's not what I was reaching for, but apparently we're doing that. Okay, these are my, like... Are you? No, you can't see the mirror. That's good. These are my other shades. I really like this one. And for some reason, this shadow has come traveling with me several times. I just think this is such a pretty, like, coral shimmer. But I have taken this traveling several times. Maybe something else should get a chance to shine a bit. I really love this one as well. This one is so pretty. What is this name again? Oh, I put my nail in shadow. Oh yeah, this is Calx. This is so pretty. Can you see anything? This is a periwinkle and lavender. Oh, it's so pretty. Why did I put my finger in that? Maybe you can see more on the finger. No, you can't because it's not focusing. But it's like a periwinkle lilac. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. Let me see if I can get the one from... Why do I have it under my nail? Why did I put my nail in the shadow? These questions. These questions that just cannot be answered. Or maybe something like this. Would that have been cool? Together with this shadow? That could have been cool, right? Would I have liked that? Of course I would have liked that. Putting that in the maybe pile as well. Okay, I really wish that I had more like lighter iridescent shades. I don't understand like why I don't. And where did I put my Sydney Grays? I don't even have them here. Wait, let me get them. Okay, so here are my Sydney Grays, and I was thinking like something like this instead. It's the same, like... It's just a bit more peach. Actually, I kind of like that. That's really pretty. Okay, let me bring this one instead. That's gonna be so pretty together. Where are the light shades? Is this one light enough? If I'm not remembering wrong, yeah, this isn't like striking enough. It's pretty, but it's not like striking. And I need striking. These are the ColourPop ones. Do I want to bring this one? I mean, can't lie, that is a really pretty shade. I think it's called Sleeper, right? Yeah, this is Sleeper. So I only have space for 2 more shadows. So maybe I want to bring 2 of the Cleonut ones. Let me clean my hand again. Can you see? Yeah, without the mirror being in the way. Let me see if I can put these in. So that we can see what we get, pretty much. Because I feel like it's yeah, but this is nice. I mean, what I need are 2 lighter shades. Do I want to get something like this? Oh my god, these are so nice. Oh my god, this is so nice. It's like a peach. I don't know if you can see it, but it's literally a peach. Oh, these are so nice. Do I want to have something more pinky? Oh, that is striking. Okay, we're having this one. We're having this one that's here. Do you see that? Yeah, we're definitely having that one. I'm just gonna fish it out because it's the obviously it's this one right here. What else do I want to bring? Do I want to bring something maybe like this? Because I do love shades like this. Like this one here. That is so pretty. Would I like something like that? Obviously I would. That could be cool. Okay, I think we're bringing that as well. Okay, let me fish these out. This one is easy because it's at the edge. It is called Grisaille. Is that even going to be good here? Not really. Not really. Okay, there we go. The shadow has been surgically removed. It is a Luminaire. And she gets to go here. Okay, I think that that's what she's gonna look like. Stupid knife, get out of the way. Stop stealing my thunder. So this is what the palette looks like. It is definitely not this palette that's here. I'm gonna clean this and we can do this all, swatch it all on my arm. I wish I had more shadows like this. I really want to get some of those. You know, I saw some from Terra Moonstone Cosmetics. And also I saw some from, where was that? Amy Heart's Beauty. I am so intrigued to try some of those. Oh, look at that shadow. Okay, let me clean my hands so we can swatch these. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it on my arm, starting from lightest to darkest. I'm a bit stained here from some other swatches that I did, but such is life. I'm gonna put the name of all of these down below and I'm gonna link all of them if there are available. I don't really take into consideration what is available and not when I pick things like this, because that is not that like important to me when I'm traveling. I hope you understand. But if they're not available, I will try and mention something that's like similar. Some of these mattes don't swatch that amazing, but that's how mattes are. I haven't picked any bad shades, let's just say. I mean, why would I want to bring a bad shade to New York? So even if they swatch a bit funny, they still work perfectly on the eyes because, like I said, I wouldn't want to bring something bad on vacation. Look at this. Oh, yum! I'm also going to bring a Super Shock shadow that I always bring because I love wearing that Super Shock shadow on like events. I have worn that Super Shock shadow on so many events. It's borderline my like signature look. And I've always said that I don't have a signature look, but I have honestly worn that so many times. It's ridiculous. So maybe I should at some point recreate that look because it's so pretty and I love it. But I'm gonna bring that up as well. I'm gonna bring that so I can swatch that in this video so you can see why I always bring it and why I think it's so good. It's actually, look at that shade. It's actually something, I mean, from ColourPop, it's a Super Shock shadow. But it's actually something that I really think that ColourPop should like put in a palette. Like, what a dream it would be to make like a 6-pan palette with ColourPop and put that Super Shock shadow in. I would love that. I mean, I'm never gonna be the influencer that gets to collab with ColourPop. This is not me fishing for a collab. I hope you understand that. I'm just saying that if I ever did get the opportunity, which I won't, but if I did, if I was that influencer, I would have put that Super Shock shadow in a 6-pan palette together with some other cool shades. It would have been epic. I'm gonna show you in a bit and you will see why I love it, because it's literally the prettiest Super Shock shadow from ColourPop by far. So this is what this one looks like, all swatched out. I think that this is stunning. It is like a, oh my god, look at these fingers. It is like a dimensional, slightly grungy rainbow with more texture, because it has some duochrome, some glittery shades, some iridescent shades, and some darker grungier shades to deepen it up with. So it's like a, this is my version of a grungy rainbow, grungy textured rainbow. I really love this. Let me go get the look at my fingers. Let me go get the Super Shock shadow and I will, let me move my Coke glass and I will show you how that one looks together with this, because I will bring it because I love it. Okay, this is my little baby. This is Kelp Me by ColourPop, and this is what she looks like. It is a, oh my god, I cannot for my life. It is a peach, like, it is a peach Super Shock shadow with a lot of peach and pink glitter in it. It's absolutely stunning. So let me swatch this together with these shadows here, and you will see why I think that this is perfect for this. Look at this shadow. First of all, this is my favorite single shadow, and I honestly, wait, is this? Here you can see. I honestly have used this so many times together with so many looks. This one together with the red is like absolutely striking. It is so pretty because it is that beautiful peachy base that is not too orange. It's like more of a pinky peach. So beautiful. If you see this in stock again, because I don't think that this is available right now at ColourPop, but they do bring back shadows from time to time, and if you see this, I highly recommend it because it is stunning. And what I do when I go an event, I will do something like this in the crease, and I will deepen it up with a red. I will use a black or maybe a dark purple like this, and then we'll put this all over the lid, and I will put something like this in the corner. I love that because it is colorful, but still that peachy red that I love. So yeah, that is probably what I'm gonna do as well. So yeah, that was the finished palette. This is what I'm gonna bring to New York. When you see this video, I probably am in New York or I've already come back from New York. I will put in the description box which of them it is. If you like these kind of videos where I create palettes based on different kinds of inspiration or different kinds of things I need to do in my life, let me know down below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe because I do upload quite a lot of videos, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, this is so pretty. That's gonna be pretty soon because I do upload videos every week, and that's gonna be it. Bye!